eating.
RPA shopping. So RPA buddies are back with their RPA shopping.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we are here for two basic reasons. One is she has been telling me to try matcha for a really long time, and I haven't had matcha in any form before, so I'm going to try matcha for the first time.
Matcha latte.
Yeah.
From Starbucks.
Yeah.
And you should try it actually with almond. To have something very healthy, I go for matcha. And otherwise, Starbucks normal drinks. We don't pretend, guys. Even if like we maintain this kind of transparency. If there is something which we do not like, we just tell it in front of
will
each
disclose
other.
it,
Yeah,
yeah.
we'll disclose it. We don't pretend.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Only transparency in this channel. Second reason, which is special, I want you to tell them.
yeah, we are gonna celebrate our friendship for more than 5 years since 2019. Yeah. So it's more than 5 years of friendship. So after college, she survived her postgrad. I'm surviving my postgrad now. So all these battles and everything. So finally, like we both are constant since
Yeah.
5 years. Touch
Yeah.
wood. So we have decided to go for to invest this in terms of buying a
Jewelry together,
Yeah,
so
jewelry
we'll
together.
be buying matching jewelry. Anything,
anything.
we haven't decided yet. So on our spot, we have Swarovski that's there, and then we'll be checking out Jiva.
Silver.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and what else?
And
Anything else?
Carrot Lane, like I think they have, but that's very limited collection.
So basically, it will be like I'll be gifting her that jewelry, and she'll be gifting me
Huh.
that jewelry, and it will be a matching jewelry.
Matching jewelry.
So that we can keep it and we pass it down to our daughters maybe.
Yeah. Like this is how you should cherish the like special moments with your true friends.
Yeah. Go and check it out.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll buy today, maybe we won't.
Yeah. Maybe we'll just go for this some price check.
Yeah, explore every shop so that we are not buying something that we don't like.
Yeah.
We want to make sure that
It
this
won't be an impulse shopping.
Yeah.
It will be a proper planned
strategic shop.
Strategic.
Yeah. Okay guys, see you later.
See you
Bye.
later,
Just got out of the Swarovski store and we actually liked two studs. We were checking for rings, but the rings weren't nice and we couldn't get two
Yeah.
similar pieces. So we were looking for studs, small studs like this one.
They don't keep 14 karat gold. But
Yeah.
for me, it's like if it is really 14 karat gold, I would prefer it for diamonds.
Yeah.
Like real diamond, not Swarovski crystal.
Yeah. And these are just like normal stones.
Yeah.
Like high polished
High polish.
crystals and stones.
They told us to maintain it for this thing, for
With-
tarnishing.
yeah, it's not even tarnish free.
Yeah, it's not really tarnish free.
Yeah,
So I
and they are
feel
selling
like
it for
investing
like, and they are selling it for like 7-8K.
7-8K. So I
And
didn't
for
feel like investing. So it's better. See, I'm wearing anti-tarnish rings. Individuals. These are much better than that because it's purely anti-tarnish.
yeah, exactly. So even this one also, the bracelet that I wear all the
This
time.
bracelet also, this is also
I've been
anti-tarnish.
wearing this for like almost a year now, and I am using it with perfumes
Yeah, with
and
perfume and
I'm
everything.
spritzing
This is also
perfume on it, and I'm washing my hand without caring for it, and the color and the shine is still there. But they are saying that you have
need
to
to
be,
maintain.
yeah, you have to be
We need to
really
keep it away
precautious.
from-
Yeah.
We will keep it away from and also from direct sunlight. We also said that.
From
What direct sunlight?
direct sunlight.
Yeah.
I don't know if
What's
it's
the
worth
point
it.
because Kolkata weather is extremely humid. and hot.
Let's just check
Check out the
actual silver
Yeah,
from
9 to
Jiva.
5 silver.
Yeah, 9 to 5 silver, which will actually last us a really long time because that is one of our main criteria that we have to
Something that
keep
will-
it.
Yeah, something which is everlasting.
Yeah, everlasting, like our friendship.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go and check out other stores. Jiva will get it in Shopper Stop, right? Yeah. So we are going to Shopper Stop. We will check and we will shoot that also. I don't think inside Swarovski was allowed to shoot, so that's the reason we couldn't
show you
Yeah, what are the
what were the products.
Yeah, but you can check their website. If you are into Swarovski crystals, you can get it. But in my opinion, I did not
Yeah, I
like
did not feel like it's worth the investment.
it. Yeah,
that's it.
exactly. I mean, you can get gold, small
exactly.
gold,
Small
14 karat
14
gold,
karat gold,
Yeah.
you can get it.
or silver, like 95 silver.
Selling it for 7-8K.
Yeah.
You'll get good quality silver within 1,000.
Yeah.
1,000, 2,000, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And Jiva also runs a lot of discounts.
Yeah.
So we will be checking that out as well. That's Shopista. And we are gonna go straight to the jewelry section, the jewelry counter. See, I like this one. This one. Come. I like this one and this one.
Yeah, both of them are really good. But I like the butterfly one.
इसका सेकंड पीस नहीं है, इसका सेकंड पीस नहीं है, इसका मिल जाएगा आपको, मैंने
वो
कहा
वाला
ये
कितने का?
दिस वन इज द Swarovski डिजाइन ब्रो.
Back of the thing. This is also good.
Yeah, this has a screw system, so that is more secure.
Yeah. No, I've seen they have the pushes are all screw system.
Yeah, you only get that in gold, right?
Gold, yeah.
But they also have this system in silver. Hi, so we like rings also. यहाँ पे जो rings है, we liked it. We are gonna check another brand which is very famous here for gold, and it's a trusted brand, so maybe their silverware will also be good enough. So we'll check that out as well. Otherwise, we like the butterfly earring, right? We like the butterfly one. And the other one which I liked was only available for one. So we also have to check that if it is available for two. So we want the same design. Yeah.
We'll buy the same thing.
We checked out every single store.
But we are just not liking the. We
Yeah.
are not liking the variety,
Yeah.
and also we are not liking the collection.
So we did not like anything. We checked, I think, around 4 to 5 places, but we did not like the range. I mean the stock variety, and also we were facing a lot of problems because 2 units weren't present,
Yeah.
and whatever two units
of the
were
same-
present,
The same collection. The same
yeah,
2 units.
or even if they were present, we would have to change the finish. Like
Yeah.
there was one rose gold, one yellow gold, or maybe one silver and one yellow gold. So I don't know, maybe we'll check out the online collection of Jiva. And Jiva runs great discounts online, and if you are using Google Pay, I'm sure everyone will be getting those Jiva coupons. So we are thinking if we can get something online, so she can order one, I can order
Yeah.
one, and the next time we meet, we can just exchange that.
Yeah.
Like here's a parcel. So that's what we have in plan. We are going to Sephora.
We are thinking of getting
Yeah.
some makeup stuff done. Like I'll probably buy one thing maybe from Rare Beauty because it's been a long time that I was planning to buy something from Rare Beauty.
Yeah,
And
it's
also
great.
we'll check
Rare
out-
Beauty is great.
Yeah, I know it's
I
great.
love it. I'm
Yeah.
wearing Rare
And
Beauty
also,
blush.
and also we are planning to check out that tube lip balm from Laneige.
So let's go. Let's visit the store and see what they have and what we like.
So I like to take this too. Finally, we chose to buy something same to same. So instead of buying jewelry, we end up buying lip balm from Laneige. Our favorite Betty lip balm. We used the tough one, so now we are trying the matte one.
Hi guys.
So we are finally at Starbucks.
Finally, our gossip
Resting,
session will
resting, yeah.
start.
Yeah,
And
we are resting here for a while. 'Cause,
I am really nervous.
Yeah.
What's wrong with my hair? Anyway, I'm really nervous. Main
good,
reason is
like
because I'm gonna try matcha for the very first
Which one do
time.
you want to try? Do you want to try the frappuccino one or the hot one? I tried the hot one. I don't know about the frappuccino one. I tried the hot one. That's really good. Hot one I prefer with almond milk. But not the cold one. Cold one I didn't have it. It's hot or cold?
Like it's gonna be the first time I'm gonna try matcha. I don't know how it's gonna taste. But yeah, that is it. I'm nervous. Let's see how it goes. I know there are a lot of matcha fans,
Yeah.
and if I don't like it,
into like healthy alternatives like healthy beverages, they go for matcha.
Yeah, but like just a disclaimer, if I don't like matcha and I give my opinion, please don't hate on me because please don't hate on me. We might have different choices. Yeah, please be kind.
Yeah, it's a choice, guys.
It's my choice. It's her choice.
Yeah.
Like Neha Dupes. Yeah, and also we got something from Sephora. We did a little bit of shopping.
Little bit of shopping.
Yeah.
Same lip balm
Yeah.
from the niche.
We love it. We both love Laneige. Now we are going to see what's on the menu for matcha and we are going to place the order. Yeah, she's ordering for me. She's placing the order, the matcha latte order for me. Let's see how it goes. Matcha latte. We are also taking the tiramisu.
Finally, it's Starbucks.
We made our order and we ordered what? We ordered green tea latte. Is it the same as matcha latte?
That one.
And what else?
One signature cold brew, one tiramisu.
You know, they have decorated the entire area for Valentine's Day. And we are together spending Galentine's. The order arrived. And it looks scary. It looks very scary, man.
Very terribly scared.
I mean, the decor is really nice. Here you can have. I'll get your reaction first and then you will get my
I'm
reaction.
used to, so you'll get a very bland reaction.
Yeah.
It's not like I'm trying for the first time.
Okay, you drink and then. It's alright? Okay. I'm scared to try. Oh my god. तो डुबकी लगाने से पहले people close their eyes. I'm doing that. I'm closing my eyes and I'm going to take the first sip. 1, 2, 3.
আসল জিনিসটা খাও।
I need a little bit of tiramisu. Sorry. Now I can have. It is so weird. So weird. I'm not saying it's bad, okay? It's not bad. But
You get a matcha flavor.
it's very weird. It's like you're drinking green tea, but there's something grainy in it. And it's raw. It's hitting you inside. It's hitting your soul inside. But yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's very new to me and it's alright.
So guys, she's basically adding sugar to matcha, which nobody does.
Nobody in the world has done
Nobody
this
in the world
before.
actually does that, but since she likes more of like her, this is not her taste actually. She just wanted to try, so that's why she tried. And since I tried, so I recommended. I like it. Like for me, it's fine. So that's why. But her impression for matcha wasn't really good.
I rated a 6 out of 10,
Yeah.
which is not bad.
Yeah. It's not bad, but it's not her taste.
Because I never give any rating above 8. So my best rating would be 8 out of 10. So 6 out of 10 is really nice for me.